Hey guys, this is the Fortlings. We're back with a brand new video.
Today we're doing the pistol challenge. If you don't know what that is, it's when you can only use a pistol for a weapon.
Let's get on with the video. We hope you enjoy.
That guy just blew up the gas can that was on my
Oh, she just jumped right over it. Oh my god, I'm failing. I got you.
Try to run him off. You had the Lambo and you didn't even tell me?
Oh.
I didn't even know he was there.
No, there are too many of them. Okay, Aaron, let's go.
I hit his car twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, hit him.
Oh, I forgot I can't get in that car.
Oh, you couldn't. Oh, yeah, the duo was in it.
Frick.
You just got runned over.
Yeah, they ran me over because I was trying to get in.
You have to go to the side when you're trying to get in any car. Wait, Rory, come here.
Nom 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 nom.
Like my eating, a little messy.
Just a little bit.
Oh my gosh, there's multiple of them.
I got you.
I'm going towards them.
Sorry.
You shagging me down. No, don't finish me, people. They have
Yeehaw!
Iron Man stuff.
Oh, they do?
Yep. He just put the Iron Man hands in the air and spun around.
I got pistols. Can't defeat me, I got pistols.
I got pistols.
My last bandage. I have to run the rest of the way. Run like your life depends on it. Because it does. Go, go, go. I'm so
dead.
close. No, I can't die. No, no.
You're not dead. Oh, 2 health.
Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh no.
Once
Oh no,
I
no,
was
no, no.
1 health, and like I was half my body was out of the storm.
Oh no, the guys have Iron Man stuff. I need some bandages.
Oh, you shouldn't have used them all.
I would have died if I hadn't used them all. I have the gas cannon, I'm not afraid to use it. He's shooting at me. I'm just gonna keep running away. I can't see you, you can't see me. I'm just gonna keep looking at the ground. Can hear you. Now I got 2 gas cans. These guys are going down.
Pew, 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 pew.
Pew, pew.
You have 2 health and 76 shield. You'll dead.
No! I died in my own gas can. I thought me and the gas can were friends.
Pro strats right
Still
there.
betrayed.
How did he shoot the gas can when he had Iron Man's thing?
I think, I don't know. Alright, I'll carry bandages.
Oh, you already have a bunch.
Bro.
What? Oh, I picked him up. Oh my gosh. What the heck is wrong with me? I'm literally not trying to pick those there. Come on, dude. You have to try and pick them up.
I think you'll just have to start hitting them with your pistol, and then I'll come down and pickaxe them.
Okay.
Can't build right there. They're coming. They're making quite a racket.
The guy come. No, he broke my spot. He broke my spot. If you actually pickaxe him,
Oh, he was one
He was
pickaxe.
one
He's at
hit.
6 health. Okay, Harlan, go over there. I'm gonna try and jump over to the top of you. Come back,
Okay.
come back. Where are you going? Don't
I'm
go that
coming
far.
back. Come on, lady. No, no,
Oh, I
No.
made it. Did you?
no.
Run, gotta run right now.
Harlan, there's 2 guys in my house.
And there's one guy building a ramp. I'm spectating from under this. Hit him 25. Hit him 0.
No. I was gonna throw a grenade at him, but I didn't switch fast enough. Don't you dare. No.
Come on, dude. Come and fight. Get your teammate. Get your good job.
Thank you. Wait, can you grab my pistol, please, Harlan?
Yeah, wait.
Okay.
Where's your pistol?
Oh, they might have took it.
They took it. That was a good trap. I wouldn't even hit him.
You should have just shot at him. Oh my god, Harlan.
So funny.
I got one of them, you got the other that's showing people more over there, right? I see him.
I'm coming. I'm gonna save you.
Blurp.
Really?
Are you down?
Oh yeah. Just take some minis and stuff.
Please.
And then I'll reboot you.
Oh. Well, not my fault.
There's a guy. What is that? Is that a guy dropping? We're there.
Yeah, it is. He just pulled a spider. I have dealt 0 damage to him. Where is he? I think he's landing.
I hit him 17. Okay, I'm not
Oh,
wasting
so
any more
it is a
ammo.
guy.
No.
Ready? Wow. Wee. Ready, Aurora? Nom. I have full color, so I can't take anything else.
Nice.
It's not OG, don't worry. No.
This is my best friend, Harlan. His name's Jerry.
Jerry?
Yeah, his
he
name's-
looks like a Skello.
His name's Jerry, Harlan.
Oh, his name is Skelly. That's his favorite guy. Pew! 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 I can't break it there.
Oh my gosh, I actually just threw him through the... Come back, Jerry!
I just ran over a beach ball and it didn't pop.
I think Jerry's about to die.
Well, yeah, he is, because I'm gonna kill his teammate. Maybe. Am I?
Oh, Jerry died in my arms. Oh, hi!
There's a guy right there.
Oh! My bad.
How dare you?
Sorry. I'm trying to be the king of the tree, Harlan. Stop jumping on my tree.
I'll be the king of the bush.
I hear you.
Whee! I'm almost dead, so
Hit him 25. Shield.
I hide as good as I can.
You're almost dead. Oh my gosh. Here, come here.
Yeah, he ran me over.
Here, Harlan, come here.
He's gonna try and come down this. What? My fire trap didn't go off. That's dumb. He just healed me.
Die, die, die. Uh-oh. Now.
You actually no, it.
Well, whatever. I dealt 15 damage to him.
Ow, that's a
Yeah,
lot.
I wanted that.
Nom 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 nom. Here. Bye.
Oh, I'm already at 75.
Ooh.
Pew, 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 pew. I haven't even hit him yet.
Oh, I killed him.
I need a revolver. Do you want it?
Yeah, absolutely.
It's mid pain.
I
Oh. Sorry, sir. I didn't realize you were dead.
I'm dead. Ready? I'm just gonna yeet these.
Would you like, here, take some minis.
It's a pistol.
No, no, don't take my bandies. Here, take some minis.
Can I have some van? I have minis. I have 2.
That's it for this video.
Hope you guys enjoyed.
Feel free to comment down below if you have any ideas for future videos. Bye.